Hey guys, welcome to the next episode of the Backlash Brothers. Today I'm going to be targeting some perch during the spawn here. That last video you saw was pretty crusty, but today I'm going to try to pick it up. I know people have been catching fish here, so I apologize because there wasn't much of an intro there. I just got off of school, so I was kind of in a rush to get out here. So I'm going to get some of my gear ready and I'm going to head out and fish. Oh, there's the first little guy, just on a little worm and slip bobber. Gonna send him back, try to get a few bigger ones. Alright, there seems to be a pattern to these really small fish. This guy's a little bit bigger, it looks like. These crawlers are getting pretty beat up, probably have to switch them out soon. But we're getting closer to the size we're looking for. This one's a male. You can see he's doing his thing, so I'm gonna get him back in the water. Nice. Oh god. Oh god. They're being real shy, aren't they? Yeah, if you kind of
like they were hitting a lot harder than just letting it sit.
Yeah. You guys caught anything of size the last few days?
I did yesterday, but it was just beating through the little ones.
Oh, really? Every single time I go to grab my second rod, I just see my bobber just going bloop. Little better or no?
No.
No? Oh boy.
Definitely a male.
Yeah, one spunked all over my hand before.
Oh man, I got covered yesterday. I can't even believe that was all inside of that fish.
Yeah, I know, it's kind of ridiculous.
Yeah. Bad. It was.
Oh boy.
Bad.
Oh boy. Yeah, just like that. Squeeze him to get the hook out and then get something else out. Oh, here we go. Oh my god. Look at how spawned out she is. Oh boy. I didn't even think I had a fish. I just was gonna recast. It's kind of surprising with how cold it is still. These fish must be pretty damn confused. Alright, here's a little better fish. You can see it's a female. She's actually squeezing out some eggs right now, so I'm gonna get her back so she can do her business, but probably a good footer, 11, 12 inches. Gonna send her back. Off she goes.
Where's all your big brothers? Have you ever gone up by Miller Park? Miller Park? Yeah. By the pool?
No. Is that a good shot?
Somebody said that they were hitting them, but every time I walk by, there's only like one or two people there.
Yeah.
So it's like...
Oh, this guy choked it pretty good. Might need the pliers for this guy. Oh, no, he came right off. Adios. Oh. Ooh, another female. Shoddy thick.
some more fish here.
There's one literally dragging my bobber straight sideways. Oh God. Think I can reel in two?
Got this.
Yep, there it goes.
If you want help, I got you.
Here, you want one of these?
If you need the help, I got you.
Here, you can take this one. This guy's been messing with my worm for like good 2.5 minutes now. This dude choked it. You got pliers I can use?
No, I don't.
Mine are in my car. Damn.
I got some.
You got some? All right, sweet. Thank you.
You can have this one. You want it? For free. I wouldn't even charge you.
Want to introduce yourself? What are you gonna name him? Fish. Fish. Perfect. Very suitable name.
Yeah, I know it. Keep it tight though.
It's fine.
More of a white bass area.
Really? What do you use? Like Meps, swim baits, or
Rattle traps.
rattle traps? Ooh, that's a fun way to catch them.
I love them.
Huh.
It's always under the bridge too. There you go. That's decent.
Pretty fat. This might be another female. Yeah, female. Just another little better female there. Get her back so she can do her business. Another little squeaker. All right, I've probably caught close to 25 fish out here. Most of them not of much size, just small males coming into spawn. I did catch one pretty decent female, that 12-incher you saw. And I also caught one bigger female, maybe 8-9 inches. But yeah, so far it's constant action. We're not catching much size, but it is nice to not be in an ice shanty. It's nice to actually be out casting, doing some real fishing, and feeling the tug on the line. So even though we're not catching any slabs or anything like that, it's nice to be out. I don't know if you can tell, but we did get more snow. If you saw my last video, I was explaining how the weather has been pretty horrible, and that's why we haven't been able to do much fishing. But yeah, we got like 6-7 inches of snow the other day, so that put another kind of damper on fishing. So I'm gonna head out of here. I have plans at 6, so I will see you guys later. Alright, I'm back home. I just wanted to take a second to thank you guys for watching today. And I wanted to let you guys know, if I get 100 likes on this video, I will jump into a freezing cold pond just for you guys, and we'll get it all on film, alright? So, thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up, and if we reach our goal, I pinky promise you guys that I will be jumping into some freezing cold water. Drop a comment, make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Alright, I'm going to head out.